Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of storage on Google Maps. You will click on settings. In this page you can enter to apps, default apps, app settings. When above you can search about Google Maps and you can click here. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that you will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. In the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.